to avoid some issues with the system. Okay, yeah, so let's walk through the process there. Yeah, so I'm about to open my Redhat Linux system. So let's see how this. Although our Linux is Linux is a very fantastic and good operating system. I won't lie to you. As a matter of fact, Linux has more security than Windows operating system. Yeah, but Linux is just kind of complicated. Yeah. So let me walk you through Redhat. Now there is a big difference between Redhat and Kali Linux. Yeah, there's a big difference between these two operating systems. Now Kali Linux is basically used most times or mostly used for hacking when it comes to hacking. But Redhat, you can actually use Redhat for some other things apart from hacking and the rest of them. But Redhat, you can't use Redhat for hacking. So I'm going to encrypt my password. Yeah. Why is my system that slow? Okay, now let's go to work. Now this is the environment of the Redhat Linux operating system. You get this is the environment. We have the Firefox, the files, the software help, and the rest of them, and they have a lot of applications to the Linux operating system. Now when we're talking about Linux, it's actually based on commands. Like mostly based on commands. We use commands like scripts and the rest of them to operate Linux. Linux is different from Windows. You know, Windows you have to like click for you to enter a file. You click and the rest. But when it comes to Linux, commands that will work with commands. So let us take you through some commands on Linux operating system. Now, first of all, we just have we have to get to the terminal of the system. You understand? Now the terminal is where we can perform some works, then use the commands that we're gonna make use of. You understand? Now firstly, when you get to the Linux operating system and enter the terminal, the first thing you just have to do is to check on which directory you're working from. Whether you're working from the home directory, the root directory, they have a lot of directories. Now directory is like, how should I put it, like a folder. In other words, a folder. In Windows operating system, we have a lot of folders. Inside these folders, they have a lot of files. You understand? Now we have a lot of directories in our Windows. Same thing applies to Linux operating system. So let me take you through on how we can check where you're working from exactly. You understand? So first of all, for you to check where you're working from, the directory you're working from, you just have to use a simple command. Hold on, please. Now I just have to use a simple command. The command is pwd and press enter. Now you can see my edition. I'm working from the home directory / the user, that is Timothy. My name is Timothy, so you can see my name there, right? Now the full meaning of this pwd means print working directory. You have to print the working directory of where you're working from exactly. Yeah. So basically what I'm going to take you through now is how to create files, how to create directories and the rest of them. Now for you to be able to create files, you have to use this command, the command vi. Now vi is actually an editor where you can edit or put a script like text, you understand, on a file. Then you just have to save. You understand? Now vi is for creating files. I say vi, then the name of the file I want to create. Let me say timo.txt. I press enter. Now you can see that we have access to this file, so we just have to input anything we want to input inside the file, then we just have to save it. Now for us to be able to save, we have to press the escape key, then control column and enter. Sorry, hold on. Let's make our of this sound safe. Yes, I don't wanna. Okay, for you to be able to save, it is shift. Sorry, to edit rather, it is shift column. You get. Then just have to input what you want to input. Let me say this. Now for you to be, when you actually enter inside the when you create this folder, or sorry, yeah, this file, for you to like input what you want to input inside this file, I use the this thing. You just have to press shift I, that is insert. I is for insert. Now you just have to input. Now let me say Timo. This is Timo PC. This is Timo PC. You get. Now when you just write this, or just write anything you want to write inside this file exactly. Now what you need to do next is to save. Now to save, you can press the shift column. Sorry. To save, use the escape key rather. Escape key, then shift column. Now when press the shift column, for you to be able to save what you want to save, you just have to press WQ. Now W means write and Q means cute. Now when you say write and cute, you just have to like write and cute without any complaint. Just save it all. Now you just have to hit enter. And when you hit enter, you can see that this file is also already saved, right? Yeah. Now you can see I just use the WQ and the file already saved. I let us see this vi timo.ts. Now vi is like an editor, right? I let us see the files that we saved inside this vi. Now to access this, you have to use ls. It's another command. Ls is like listing your folders, your files. You understand? Ls, and you can see, yeah, timo.tx. Yeah, you can see timo.tx exactly. Yeah. So this is actually a file that I just created. Now for us to access this file, you can still use that same, either use nano. They have another command called nano. Then you just have to input the file, the name of the file, that's tst.tst, and here you come. You can see the file and the rest. Now after this, you just have to use Ctrl X to save and exit. Ctrl S, you can see, right? So this is just the basic. Well, I'm gonna come back later and continue from where I stopped. But this is just the basic of how we can create files, get access to our files, and the rest of them. Now, next we're gonna focus on how we can create directories. Okay, so we're gonna use our commands to create directories.